Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from Santarelli School of Options and OptionsTrading.College. I hope everyone's having a great start to their day. I wanted to go over the pre-markets here and go over a few key setups here that I'm going to be looking at here for today. First off, let's go over SPY, Diamond, and Qs. I always like looking at those first in the morning, seeing where the general markets are heading. Obviously, markets are pulling back a bit today. There is, hold on one second. So obviously, you guys heard the news, the conflict with Russia and Ukraine. Biden authorized long-range missiles to strike deep inside of Russia, and Putin just came out and basically said, they're lowering the threshold for nuclear war there if there's any type of invasion or any type of escalation and, bombs are inside of Russia, they're going to authorize use of nuclear weapons. So markets are getting a pullback here. If you could take a look at SPY here, I have SPY daily chart pulled up. We're getting right down to that blue 20-day simple moving average right now. I think we're going to head lower today, so I'm going to be looking probably at some SPY puts early on the market open there and probably hold on to those for a day trade that lasts a little bit longer today and target probably 583, maybe even down to 580 today, depending on the volume we see coming in and the sell-off we possibly see. So I'm going to be eyeing that up. Not saying I'm jumping in it just yet, but I'm going to be seeing what we do the first few minutes of opening bell. That's Q's, or that was SPY there. Let's take a look at Q's. First red candle below that blue 20-day simple moving average, holding below that 500 level. I think Q's are going to continue to see some selling pressure today as well. And then if we look at the Diamond ETF Dow, we are down on that big today, down about 328 points on Dow and continuing lower. So I think Dow is going to see that at least that blue 20-day simple moving average. I think SPY could come back down to that 580 level, and I think we could possibly even see Qs down to that 490. So we'll see what type of volatility we have coming in. See if we have that selling pressure continue on opening bell. But another one to take a look at here, we have some micro strategy calls that we just picked up 2 days ago. And that trade right here is already up 58%. We have the MicroStrategy November 29th, 355 straight calls. They were up 58.23% on the close yesterday. As you can see in the background here, MicroStrategy shares are up about $7, 1.74% in the pre-market. They were up over 12 bucks in the pre-market, almost getting right up to that 400. So I'm going to be looking to sell this today, lock in that profit. I'm probably going to be looking to sell some XLE. We should see some strength on that today. I'm probably going to keep open these longer expos here, June 30th, March 21st. I also have some trades here on E-Trade, that are going to be looking to sell here. Where did that go? There we go. So probably going to be looking to sell the XLE here calls that I have for January, the 90 call. They should be up about 30% today. We should see a rally there. We got Coinbase trying to get a breakout there. She was just at lows. Trump just announced that he had a meeting with Coinbase CEO to possibly appoint him to a cabinet member. So I want to see that hold above 325 today. I want to see what that does. MicroStrategy climbing again back up $8 there. Some of the other market movers here, SMCI is a big one this morning. They hired a new auditor and CPA, so shares there up 24% here in the pre-market. That should continue to spike a bit there after that announcement. Another one we got moving there is TCOM, Trip.com. That's getting a big pop there today. Shares at what, 64.10. Getting a climb above that 10 and 20-day simple moving average. We got gold continuing to climb today. Gold is looking pretty good. GOLD. I think one of the members jumped in gold yesterday. They should be up nicely on that. GLD is probably getting a nice climb there as well. So you should see those continue to climb. So I would be looking at cryptos getting a climb here today. Gold, defensive stocks, Lockheed Martin's getting a climb, up about 0.86% in the pre-market. RTX getting a climb there, up about 0.71% in the pre-market there. So some of the defensive plays might be a good setup there for some of this volatility we're seeing with Russia and Ukraine. But like I said today, and in the newsletter that I sent out, which let me get up here for you. I'll post this. I will post the link to this in the live chat. Here was the newsletter I sent out this morning. There is today's newsletter. Now, if I go over that with you guys here, you can see I went over just about everything. We did a Trump day trade yesterday after they were announcing the cryptocurrency exchange bought out. We made it quick. I mean, it was up like 130% at the highs there. When she started pulling back, locked in an 80% gain. Crypto was rallying 93,000 as of when I wrote this. I think she's at about 91.8 right now. Gave some outlook here of what's going on, why the markets are pulling back. RTX, Lockheed Martin, defensive and aerospace, uranium stock should see a nice climb today with that news. And then we went over the trades that we're going to be locking in here. The MicroStrategy, that was up 58% as of close. Here was the game plan here for today. Here was some of the top watch lists. So make sure you guys check out that newsletter. It's got a lot of valuable information there. Top upgrades, downgrades, initiations to look at for the day. Those want to be your key focus there if you're looking for quick day trades and scalps. So make sure you check that out. And SPY is continuing to pull back. So I'm going to be looking at those SPY puts and probably getting those on open and looking for a continuation, possibly down to that 580 here by the end of today. So I'm going to be looking at those SPY puts for today's expo, eyeing those up and locking in the MicroStrategy gains. Alrighty, guys. Hope everyone has a great day, and hope to see you guys on the stream. If you guys want to come join us, you guys could go to optionstrading.college and come join us. And once you get signed up, I will give you the link for the live streams. Have a great day. Take care. God bless, and hopefully it's a profitable day for you guys.